If You Give a Second Grader a Cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's 7th graders and Miss Reed's 2nd graders.
If you give Cali a cookie,
Written by Jasleen,
illustrated by Cali Head. If you give Cali a cookie, she'll want to share her cookies with me. When we eat the box of cookies, we'll feel really full. When we feel full, we'll want a drink. When we get a drink, we'll want to go outside and go to the park. When we go outside, she'll want to bring her friends. When her friends are here, we'll play hide and seek. When we're done playing hide and seek, we'll go and collect stuff off the ground. When we're done with collecting stuff from the ground, we'll go inside to eat a snack, and Cali is going to want a cookie.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeburg 7th graders and 2nd graders. About the illustrator.
Cali loves to do science. She likes to study erosion, but Cali wants to be a teacher when she grows up. She'll teach 2nd grade and 7th grade. She'll teach science, math, literacy, and literacy. Cali loves kids. After school, she'll go to the store and buy some supplies like a notebook, pens, pencils, crayons, and erasers. Her favorite color is yellow. Her favorite food is macaroni. Her favorite dessert is ice cream, and her favorite animal is a dog and flamingos. Cali also loves to make doodles like hearts, smiley faces, flowers, shapes, and stars. Cali likes to go hiking and biking too, but she really wants to go swimming. She also wants to go to the zoo. She wants to see her favorite animals. Cali also loves music too.